Gusto mo bang i-save or i-evict ang PBB housemate mo? Ito na ang tutorial using Maya app. Open your Maya app and dito sa homepage nyo, may makikita kayong icon ng PBB. Click on that. Pili ka lang kung gusto mong i-save or i-evict yung PBB housemate mo. I-click mo lang yung PBB housemate na gusto mong i-save or i-evict. So for example, gusto mong i-save si Charlie and Kira, so you will just click on their picture and then may makikita ka ng ganito. So dito may 3 options ka. You can choose 10 pesos for 10 votes, 50 pesos for 50 votes, and 100 pesos for 100 votes. And also guys, take note na may countdown po tayo. Ayan, makikita nyo before voting ends. Diyan yung makita ilang araw na lang pwedeng mag-vote. At dito naman makikita niyo yung chances left to vote. Magre-reset yan every midnight. Gusto mo ba silang manatili? Vote to save. Gigil ka na ba sa kanila? Vote to evict na. Ganun lang kadali, bes. 1 peso lang pero malaki na ang impact. Kaya kung may bet ka, vote wisely. Wala ka pang Maya app? Use my invite code below para magkaroon tayo ng 50 pesos parehas. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!